Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Charizard. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the mouth. At the top of the page, draw a small curved line here for the tip of the snout. At the bottom here, draw a V shape across. Then continue this line down to the right. Now at the end here, draw a kind of triangle shape on top. Come back up to the top and draw another line across. Then a pointed line for the top of the nose. Now inside, draw a curved line here for the nostril. Next, let's draw the top of the head. At the end here, draw a long shape like this for the horn. Now draw a curved line down for the back of the neck. Now let's move back over to the mouth. Draw two teeth under like this. From under the left tooth, draw a curved line down for the chin. Now let's draw the eye. Come back up and draw a sideways V shape here. On the inside on the right, draw a curved line. Now in the center, draw another curved line. And then a third one on the left, and color this section in black. Next, on the side of the neck on the right, draw another curved shape for the other horn. Then draw a few detailed lines here on the neck. Now let's continue his neck downwards on both sides. Let's draw the arms next, starting with the right side. From the bottom of the neck here, draw a curved line out to the right. Then draw another curved line under it for the bottom of the arm. Draw the neck section with two lines down and out. Now draw two curved lines outwards for the top of the hand. Now finish off the hand with 3 fingers like this. Now draw a small triangle at the tip of each finger for the nails. Lastly, a small curved line here for the knuckle. Now let's draw the other arm in the same way. Let's draw the body next. From the right armpit, draw a curved line down and back around for the belly. On the left side, draw a curved line down, stopping here for the leg. Now draw the sides of the left leg like this. Then at the bottom, draw 3 nails. Then close off the bottom of the foot with short lines across. Lastly, finish off the leg with some detailed lines inside. Before we move on to the next leg, let's draw the belly patch. Starting from the side of the left leg, draw a curved line up and back down to the other side. Let's draw the right leg now. From the belly, draw a small curved line down. Then draw the top of the leg like this. Now move down under the belly and draw a line out and down. Then draw a short line across for the bottom of the foot. Then finish off the foot with 3 toenails. And again, draw some detailed lines inside. Let's draw the wings now. Starting from on top of the right shoulder, come over like this. And then draw another curved line upwards. Now draw a rectangular shape coming up. Next, 2 lines coming down towards the right. And then a curved line down. Now follow the same shape on the inside and close off the shape. Now let's draw the bottom side of the wing. Under the right armpit, draw a curved line up. Then continue this curve on the outside of the arm and come back down towards the hand. Draw another curve up and then back down to close off the wing. Lastly, draw a few detailed lines inside. Now draw the other wing in the same way. Lastly, let's draw the tail. Starting from under the belly, draw a line towards the left leg. Then continue this line on the outside of the foot. Next, draw an angled line up. Then curve it back around to the side of the leg. Now draw a line across here, and then another smaller curve on top. Then another curve across the center. Now come back under the belly and draw 2 curves towards the right. Then on the outside of the right leg, finish off the tip of the tail like this. And lastly, draw the flame at the end. And that's it for Charizard. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.